Okay guys, so welcome to another video, and last week I've already unboxed a Tata Harrier scare model. So now Tata has updated this model with interior. So as you can see, the model has really nice interiors as well now, thanks to Tata that they provide me this updated model as well. So I'm also going to do a giveaway of this model. I will let you know all the information about the giveaway at the end of the video. So let's get started. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to participate in the giveaway, the rules are: first, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. Second, follow me on Instagram at miniature_automobiles. And third is comment done on this video. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.